Gentlemen, I know this might sound strange. You've been told for years to drink more water. But here's the truth. Most men over 50 are drinking water the wrong way for their sexual health. Wrong timing, wrong amounts, sometimes even the wrong type. Fix that, and you can dramatically improve your circulation, your energy, and yes, your erections. Stay with me because today I'll show you how hydration might be the most underrated performance enhancer you've ever ignored. Why water matters for erections. An erection is basically a hydraulic event. Your blood, mostly water, needs strong flow and pressure to fill erectile tissue. Even mild dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation, especially through smaller arteries that feed the penis. When you're dehydrated, your body prioritizes the brain and heart, not intimacy. The result? Weaker, slower, or fading erections. Hydration is what keeps the pressure system working. The hidden problems of poor hydration habits. Most men don't just drink too little, they drink the wrong way. The panic chug before bed floods your bladder and can dilute sodium, causing dizziness and cramps. The desert and flood cycle, going hours dry then guzzling, stresses kidneys and heart. And if you only drink when you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Thirst is a lagging signal. For men over 50, that delay hits circulation, energy, and erections fast. The morning glass routine. Start your day with a tall glass, 300 to 400 milliliters, within 20 minutes of waking. After 7 to 8 hours without fluids, you wake up mildly dehydrated. That first glass rehydrates cells, flushes toxins, and primes blood flow. For extra benefit, add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt for electrolytes and half a lemon for vitamin C. This combo helps your arteries relax and protects nitric oxide, the molecule that drives firmness and blood vessel strength. The steady drip hydration method. Instead of big gulps, sip half a glass every 45 to 60 minutes. Consistent intake keeps your blood volume stable, muscles flexible, and energy high. Think of it like keeping a garden hose under steady pressure, not switching it on and off. Stop heavy drinking about 45 minutes before intimacy to avoid distraction from a full bladder, while still keeping your blood vessels hydrated and responsive. How hydration powers hormones and nerves. Your kidneys and adrenal glands rely on water to balance electrolytes and support testosterone production. Dehydration raises cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone. It also slows nerve signals, so arousal feels delayed or weaker. Staying hydrated keeps nerve impulses fast, like high-speed internet instead of buffering video, and maintains nitric oxide flow for stronger, spontaneous erections. What counts and what doesn't? Coffee, black tea, and alcohol may contain water, but they dehydrate you. They push your kidneys to flush out fluid, thinning your reserves. The simple test: check your urine color. Pale straw means hydrated. Dark yellow means you're running dry. Muscle cramps, fatigue, and weaker morning erections are early warning signs. Don't wait until you're parched to act. Multiply the benefits. When steady hydration meets other healthy habits, results multiply. Foods like beets, spinach, berries, and salmon boost nitric oxide and keep arteries flexible. Regular walks improve pelvic circulation, and consistent hydration amplifies all of it. Your blood stays smooth, your heart works efficiently, and your pelvic muscles recover faster. Add quality sleep, and your testosterone surges naturally overnight. Gentlemen, water isn't just about thirst. It fuels the systems that make you feel alive, confident, and strong. Start tomorrow with that tall glass. Sip steadily all day. In a week, notice how your energy rises and your performance feels more dependable. This habit costs nothing, has no side effects, and benefits your entire body. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They start with the basics. Take care of yourself. You're worth it.